So, after about 6 months waiting for this, today I got this brand new Nokia N97. Finally I got my hands on it. So let's open up and see what they have for us. Right, so that's the one. Let's see. So where's the keyboard? Ah, okay. Seems to be. It's been charged a bit late earlier on in the shop because I wanted to see it really. So and here is apparently the stylus. So you open it like this. Basically that's it. What's inside? Your standard charger, but if you see it here, this is, I had this with Nokia. You can see there's yet another type of jack for the charger. Fortunately, we have this. It's an adapter, so you can plug in your old Nokia charger on it. Here's your USB connection, as usual. Your headset adapter. Your earphone rather. Cloth. Software for Nokia OV. Seems to be normal. There you go. Like this. Nokia Music Store, £20 gift voucher. That's cool. I might try that later on. Some brochure about OV, and then warranty stuff, manual, usual. That's it. That's what you get in the box. So we're going to see this and compare it with my iPhone. I think you can see that it has this more or less the same length, but the iPhone is wider, obviously. And I think it's slimmer. So here's the You see the home page of Nokia N97. Goes landscape when the keyboard is on. It's gonna feel okay with in your hand. Obviously, it's quite tall compared to normal mobile. So that's it. Oh yeah, 5-megapixel camera with a flash. That's it. There you go.